Hello. In continuation with the statistics under the central tendency, today we are taking mode and median. Okay. So let us discuss about the mode. For mode, a simple formula is there. I am taking a question, and in that question we are using a formula, right? Exercise 14.2. Exercise 14.2, question number 1 I am taking. Question number 1 is, the following table shows the ages of a patient admitted in a hospital during a year, age in years and number of patients. Find the mode and mean, both the things they are asking. So mean, I think you are aware of that, how to find out the mean. I'm just finding the mode. Find the mode. By the way, in the question it is given that find the mode and mean of the given data and compare the interpret of the two measures of the central tendency. We will find out the mode and then median, and we are comparing that mean is more or mode is more. Okay. These are column in a horizontal. We are making a vertical column. Always you will make vertical column. Okay. It is given that age in year. Okay. And second one is number of patients. Number of patients. Okay. In mode, only two columns are required which are given. Okay, nothing special in it. 5 to 15 interval, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. Okay, 6, 11, 21, 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, and 5. Okay, is a question. Let us see. So we are find the mode. Question is find the mode. Find mode. What is mode? The definition of mode is the number which is coming maximum number of times is called mode. But here is a class interval. So in the class interval, we have a formula for finding the mode. First, I am writing a formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. This is the formula for finding mode. Okay. Now let us see what is L, F1, F2, F0, H and others. Okay. Here what happened? This is L means L is equal to lower model class. L is equal to lower model class. Now let us see how to find out the lower model class. What is the definition of mode? Maximum number of frequency. This is a frequency Fi. Here you can see that what is the maximum number. The highest number is starting from 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5 is 23. So what is this? This is maximum number of time. That means the age group 35 to 45, the number of patients are 23. So maximum number of time. So in front of this in a class interval, this is a class interval in which L, this is lower limit. So L is equal to 35. Okay. So what is L? Lower modal class. This class is called modal class. Why it is called modal class? Because the maximum number, here the highest number is 23. So in front of 23 is a modal class, and this is L, lower limit of modal class 35. Okay. And this 23 is F1. What is F1? F1 is a number which is coming maximum number of time. So what is F1 here? F1 a number which is coming maximum number of time, that is 23. Okay. Preceding term, this is F0. Okay. F0 is equal to 21. What is this? This is the preceding number of F1. F2 is the next number, F2. So F2 is equal to 40, succeeding number. Okay. preceding number and that is a succeeding number, right? What is this? This is a model class number. That means the maximum number of coming is here 20 F1. Before that it is preceding F0 and it is succeeding. You can remember 0, 1, 2. But 1 is what? 1 is a model class mode number. That means the number which is coming maximum number of time. Okay. What is H? H, we are aware of that. H is a class width. 15 minus 5, 10. 25 minus 15, 10. H is equal to 10. Now nothing we have to do. We have to put the value in that. So mod is equal to L. L is 35 plus in a bracket F1 minus F0. F1 23 minus F0 21 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 14 and into H 10. 35 plus 23 minus 21 it is 2 upon 46 minus 21 and 14 35 multiplied by 10. So 35 plus 2 upon 46 minus 35 it is 11 multiplied by 10. So that means it is coming 35 plus 10 to the 20 upon 11. Okay. Here what should be done? First divide 20 by 11. 11 1 11 it is 9.0. 11 8 88. 2 0. 11 2 is 22 something. 1.82 I am writing here. So 35.1.82. Okay. And when we added 35.0, 1.82, so it is 36.82. What is it? This is mode. Okay. This is mode 35.82. And in the question they asked find the median also. So we can find the median also. If you want to find out the median, by the way, you know that the formula summation fi xi f1 summation fi, you'll need one more column here. That is xi between 15 plus 5, 20, 10, 20, 30. Okay. Just let me find out. Takes 2 minutes only. For finding the mean, what should be done? One column is this. Xi. Xi is what? Class mark. 15 plus 5, 20 upon 2, it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. And one column is Fi into Xi. Fi into Xi. Start multiplying them. Fi Xi 60. 11 2 is 20, 220. This is 21 3 is 63, 630. That is 23 4 jar. 4 3 jar 12. 1 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9, 920. 14 5 is 70 and 6 5 is 30, 300. Okay, this is Fi Xi. We are going to add it 0, 6 2 8 3 11, 11 2 13, 3 1 4 7 11, 9 20, 26 28. Upon one column is needed, that is Fi. What is the sum of Fi? 6 plus 1 7, 8, 11, 15, 5 22, 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and what is the formula for mean? Summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi. Fi Xi 2830 upon 80. 1 0 cancel and 283 divided by 8. 8 4 is 30, 8 3 is 24, 4 3, 8 5 is 40, 3.0. 8 3 is 24, 35.3, 24 it is coming 6, 8 7 is 56, 4 8 5 is 40. So it is 35.375. What is this? 35.375. This I have used direct method. 35.375 and mode is 36.82. So when we compare them, that you will observe that mode is more than the median. Okay, mode is more than the mean. Mean is 35.372 and mode is 36.82. So when we interpret, so what we interpret, mode is more than the mean. Okay. So that is the procedure by which we can find the mode, and for each and every question the procedure of finding the mode is the same, as only 2 columns required. Whatever the columns are given, Only we will use those columns and find in the values. Okay. Generally, the boys ask one question that, sir, if the maximum number, that means the model class is at the first, then what should be taken F0 and yes, what should be taken F0? So at that time, we will take F0 as a 0. Okay. By the way, in your syllabus, the mode is coming in between. Okay. So that you will get the upper F0 and F2 also. But in case if you are getting like that, so first term should be taken as a 0. Any other questions should be taken from it? I hope you will solve each and every question from it. Nothing special in it, only F1 is a number which is coming maximum number of time, F0 preceding number, F2 succeeding number. And in front of F1, L is model class. Okay. So I hope you will solve the remaining question of this exercise. Only the digits are different, otherwise everything is same as. Okay. Coming to exercise 14.3, where the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Okay. Right. So this is question number 1 I am taking. Exercise 14.3. Question number 1. Monthly consumption. Monthly consumption in unit and number of consumers. Number of consumers. Okay. They are asking that find mean, median, mode. First of all, we are finding the median. Okay. Median. This is the third part of under central tendency. First mean, second mode, third one is median. Median. I am writing a formula of median. L plus ny2 minus Cf upon F into H. This is a formula for finding the median. Okay. And now I am writing this numbers of the table 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, and 185 to 205. Number of consumers Fi 4, 5, 13, 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. Okay. Number of consumers. Understand these things. L is lower median class. L is lower median class. How to find out L, lower median class? How to find out? Okay. N by 2. N by 2, that means the sum of the frequency is called N. Okay. So let us see what is N. N is given in the book. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity to 68 consumers. Total 68 consumers are given. Just let us check it. 4, 5, 9, 3, 12, 16, 20, 28, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 68. n is equal to 68. Minus CF, this is a new column which is to be added, as the name of that CF is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, CF. Okay. So you remember one thing, in mean, two column you have to make extra. One is xi, second is fi into xi for the direct method. Okay. For mode, no extra column is required, and for median, there is a single column is required, that is CF, cumulative frequency. How to find out the cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency, I think you are aware of the term cumulative. So we are going to cumulative the number one by one. Frequency, it is 4. After that, 4 plus 5, 9. Then 4 plus 5 plus 13. 4 plus 5 plus 13. So that means it is 9 plus 13, 22. After that, 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20. That means it is 22 plus 20, it is 42. And next one is, may I write here direct, 42 plus 14. 42 plus 14, it is 56. 56 plus 8, it is 64. And 64 plus 4, it is 68. Okay. So this is the meaning of these 2-3 terms I have written, so that you will remember that how to find out this column. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. And you can check it. This last number should be properly matched with that, the sum of frequency column. Okay, that means you are right. So this is a cumulative frequency. Now we are finding, so this is n by 2. N is equal to sum of frequency. N is equal to sum of frequency, and sum of frequency is equal to 68. So what is n by 2? 68 upon 2, it is 34. 34 is a value of n by 2. Okay. Minus CF upon F multiplied by H. Okay. H, you are aware of that, H is a class with 20. Now understand one thing, it's a very important term. N by 2, 34. In the CF, in which column? In CF column, we are going to see a number which is just bigger than 34, n by 2. So we are going to see a number which is just bigger than 34. Just bigger than 34 is this number. Which one? 42. Okay. It is just bigger than 34. We are seeing a number which is just bigger than 34 and 42. In front of 42, in frequency, what is this? This is F. Okay. In front of F, what is it? This is median class. This class is called median class, and 125 is lower median limit. Okay. 125 is lower median limit. 125. So 1L is 125, F is equal to 20, and CF, cumulative frequency. So from this, we'll see the preceding number of it. It is CF, cumulative frequency. Okay. This number is not used anywhere, but this is a very basic number. On the basis of that, we will get all these numbers. It is a very basic number. Which number is a basic? The number which is just bigger than n by 2. The number which is just bigger than n by 2, 42. In front of that, it is F. In front of that, it is L. Going back side, the preceding term is CF. Okay. So this is the terms for median. Median is equal to L. What is L? 125 plus n by 2, 34 minus CF. CF is 22 upon F, frequency 20, multiplied by H, class width, 20. Okay. 125 plus 34 minus 22, it is 12 upon 20 multiplied by 20. 20 cancel. 125 plus 12, 137. 137 will be the median. And again, you can check your solution that the median, your answer should be coming between the median class. You remember it. After calculation, sometime it happens, we will shift the decimal by mistake. We can write the decimal to the different place, that means at the wrong place. So just you can check it whether your answer is coming under this median class, yes or no. And the same thing, same rule will be applied for the mean, median, mode, everything. Their answer is coming in the form of median class, under the median class, model class, or mean class. Okay. So there's a 137 coming in between that. Okay. This is the way of finding a median, mean, and mode. You are aware of that. You can find for finding the mean. This column is not required. You will find xi fi. Solve it. Summation fi xi upon summation fi. For finding the mode, only these two columns are required. Here is a maximum number, that is 20. It is f1, f0. It is f2. This is l, and h is 20. Okay. So I hope you can solve mean, median, mode. And after that, there is a formula. The relation between them is, the relation is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. You will remember this relation is called empirical. This is called empirical relation between mean, median, and mode. Okay. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Okay. So with the help of this empirical relation, if you know that two things, like if you know that the median and mode, you can find out the mean. So remember, this formula is called empirical formula. Okay. In MCQs, generally sometimes it is asked that what is the empirical formula, and 4 different terms are given. So you will remember it very carefully, that it's a multiplication median by 3 on one side, and multiplication 2 by mean plus mode. Okay. After that, one question I am taking, second question of this exercise, which is very important question. Question number 2 of the same exercise. Second question. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, median is given is equal to 28.5. It is given. Okay. Class interval class interval class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. And frequency is equal to 5x 20, 15, y 5, and here the total is given 60. Okay. And question, find the values of x and y. What we are finding from it, find the values of x and y. Median is given 28.5. Sum of frequency is given 60. That means the value of n is given. We are finding the values of x and y. Okay. Because there are two variable x and y, that means we need two linear equations for finding the values of x and y. So we'll try to find out both the equations. Okay. Number 1, because the sum of all these terms is equal to given 60, that means 5 plus 20 plus 15 plus 5, 5 plus 20 plus 15 plus 5 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Is that okay? 5 plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus x plus y is equal to 60. 5 plus y 25, 25, 30, 45. So 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45, it is 15. Equation number 1. You got one equation, but for finding the values of x and y, I think minimum two equations are required. 1x plus y is equal to 15. I have got it. Now for finding the second equation, because median is given, so we'll have to use the formula of median. Okay. What is the formula of median? L plus ny2 minus cf upon f into h. Okay. This is a formula. Median is equal to L plus ny2 minus cf upon f into h. So first of all, cf is required. One column is required, that is cf. Cumulative frequency, CF. How to find cumulative frequency? 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 20, 25 plus x, 25 plus x plus 15, 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, 40 plus x plus y, and 45 plus x plus y. Okay. Both the numbers are same. 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 60 minus that. It's okay. Already we have got it. Now we are finding CF. So you'll see that this 60 is what n is equal to 60. We need n by 2. 60 upon 2, what is it? It is 30. Okay. And generally what we see that the number which is just bigger than 30 in CF. Okay. But here you can see that 5 plus x, 25 plus x, it is very difficult to analyze that which number is greater or which one is a less than. Okay. But all these things are not required here because direct we have given median is 28.5. So direct in the result it is given that median 28.5. What does it mean? What is its median class? Median class is that class where 28.5 is lying. 28.5 is lying between 20 to 30. So that means this class is a median class. Okay. What is this? This is median class. So in the median class, L is at 20. In front of that, it is F. And in front of that, CF. Sorry, in front of that, this is the number and preceding term is CF. Generally, we will use this term and we'll come back here. It is F, it is L, and the preceding term is CF. Right? So now in this question, because median is already given, so median, F, this term, and the preceding term 5 plus x is a CF. Okay. Put the value here. Median 28.5 is equal to L 20 plus n by 2 30 minus CF 5 plus x. Put the bracket here, 5 plus x upon F. F is 20 and multiplied by h is 10. Okay. 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 30 minus 5 minus x upon 20 multiplied by 10. 10 2s are 20. 28.5 minus 20, what is coming? It is 8.5 is equal to 30 minus 5, 25 minus x upon 2. This 2 will be shifted here. 8.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 25 minus x. 8.5 multiplied by 2, that is 17. 17 is equal to 25 minus x. So that means x is equal to 25 minus 17. X is equal to 8. What is the value of x? 8 by 1. Equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 15. So in place of x, I can put here 8 plus y is equal to 15. Therefore, y is equal to 15 minus 8. Y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. Okay. So the value of x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. So this is the procedure if median is given and we are going to find two unknown terms. Okay. In this exercise now, No question is there, only one question is there, below 20, below 25. So this concept will be explained in the next lecture. Okay, so I hope the remaining questions will be done by you. Okay, thanks for watching.